Welcome to the BB Star YouTube channel. Click on that little red button to subscribe to my channel to get the latest videos on how much your favorite YouTubers earn. And click on the bell notification icon to get post notifications and never missing any new videos. So how do YouTubers get paid? They make money by monetizing their videos with ads running through them. The money you earn depends on your CPM. And the CPM stands for cost per thousand. And CPM is the amount an advertiser pays to have his ads served against videos 1,000 times. It is calculated based on how many people watch the video and from where the people are watching the video. Many factors affect CPM, and these include demographics, content, gender, and time of watch. YouTube will also take 45% of your revenue from the advertising. In 2018, advertisers spent an average of $3 per thousand views. Let's go over Ryan Williams' YouTube channel. They currently have 1,010,106 subscribers. Total amount of views is 129,545,490. Now let's do some math and calculate how much money this channel has earned so far. So 129,545,490 multiplied by CPM of 3, which is 0.003, and you get $388,636. Now of course with this, YouTube gets a cut of the revenue, YouTube gets 45%, and this channel gets 55%. So you have to do $388,636 multiplied by 0.55, and you get $213,750. Daily subs is at 1,457, and monthly subs is at 43,681. Daily revenue, and this is going to be an estimate. So daily views is currently 220,000. Monetized playback is 80% of daily views. So 80% of 220,000 is 176,000. And monetized playback is just whenever you see ads on a video, then you know that the video is monetized. People that use ad blocker, they don't see ads, so then the video is not monetized. CPM is $3. So daily income is the monetized playback multiplied by the CPM. So 176,000 multiplied by 0.003, and you get $528 as daily income. Monthly income is $520 multiplied by 30, and you get $15,840. Annual revenue, and this is going to be an estimate. So the revenue is $15,840 multiplied by 12, and you get $190,080. YouTube gets a cut of the revenue. YouTube gets 45%, and this channel gets 55%. So you have to do $190,080 multiplied by 0.55, and you get $104,544 per year just from YouTube ad revenue alone. And of course, this channel can make more money from affiliate sales, merch, and sponsorships. So they're making a lot more money. Thank you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know if the next YouTuber you want me to do next.